Hello guys, hope you're all doing great. In this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install Node.js on Windows. Are you ready? So let's get started. Type, open your browser and type Node.js. Okay, and this is the official website where you can download Node.js. Okay, just click on that. Here we have standard binary zip, and here we have Windows installer. Just click on Windows installer. Here you can choose your operating system architecture. Okay, and here you can choose your operating system for Mac, Linux, and so on. So I'm going to download for Windows. Just click on Windows. As you can see, it's downloading here. Now we have to wait until the installation is finished, and then after that I will show you how to install Node.js. Okay, if you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel and like, share with your friends. Thank you so much in advance. The download is almost finished. Okay, let's go to download folder and install it. Just double click on that. Okay, or open it. Click next. Just follow the instruction. It's very easy to install. Accept the agreement, license agreement. Okay. Yeah, here you can choose where you want to install. So I will leave it as standard. Next, 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 and click on install. Click yes, and that's how you can install it, Node.js on your Windows. The installation is finished. Just click on finish, and that's it, guys. Hope you will like it. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you with that. See you in the next video.